You will love the features of this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 35,000 miles on this boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist. Get the style and performance you want and the space you need in this distinctive Palisade. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.